Welcome to the Easy English Listening Practice Series. Day number 6. Today's story is simple, relaxing, and perfect for English learners. So, take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Tom wakes up early in the morning. He slowly opens his eyes and looks at his phone. It's 7 a.m. already. He says quietly. Tom feels a little tired because he studied English late last night. But he smiles softly and says, I want to improve my English every single day. He gets out of bed, walks to the kitchen, and makes a warm cup of tea. The morning is quiet, peaceful, and calm. Tom sits near the window with his English notebook in his hands. Today, he wants to practice listening. He puts on his headphones and starts listening to a short English podcast. At first, it is difficult. Some words are too fast. Some sentences are hard to understand. Tom looks a little frustrated, but he doesn't give up. He pauses the audio, takes a breath, and listens again. This time, he understands a little more. Then he hears words like practice, future, and confidence. Tom quickly writes the new words in his notebook. A small smile appears on his face after 30 minutes. He feels proud and happy. Wow, he says excitedly. My listening is getting better. Later in the day, Tom watches a short English video on YouTube. He repeats the sentences slowly and carefully. Hello, how are you? What are your plans today? I'm learning English. Tom practices speaking in front of the mirror. Sometimes he makes mistakes. Sometimes he forgets words. But he keeps trying because he knows mistakes are part of learning. In the evening, Tom talks to his friend online in English for a few minutes. At first, he feels nervous. His heart beats fast. But little by little, he becomes more comfortable and more confident before going to sleep. Tom closes his notebook and smiles. Today was a good day, he says softly. I learned new words and improved my listening. Then he turns off the light, closes his eyes, and sleeps peacefully, ready for another day of English practice. Great job listening today. Remember, small steps every day create big progress. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and see you in day number 7.